How to restore WhatsApp deleted messages on Android chat recovery guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. Before starting video, if you didn't on backup option, you cannot recover your deleted messages. Now I will tell you how you guys can turn on chat backup option, so in future if you deleted messages etc, you guys can recover that. So for that we will simply go to WhatsApp. Once I open WhatsApp, here you guys will click on top right corner three dots. Now here you guys will click on settings. Here you guys will see account, privacy, avatar, list, chat. So simply click on chats. Once we click on chats, here you guys will simply scroll. Now on end you guys can see chat backup. So simply click on chat backup. Once we click here you guys will simply click on backup. Also you guys can see include videos. So if you want to include the videos files when you delete WhatsApp messages etc, and after that when you want to recover and you click on backup, you guys will also download all the videos that are saved in chats. And if you don't want videos in chats, you guys can simply turn off that. After that you guys will simply click on Google account. I have already add my Google account. In your phone it will say add account, so simply select your Gmail account that you remember the password and email. Once you add it, after that click on backup, and once you click on backup, all your messages etc will be start backing up. So that's how you guys can recover all your deleted messages. But if you guys didn't do that, you cannot recover that. Thanks for watching.